want everyone to understand that we are facing most likely one of the largest snowstorms in the history of this city, in the recorded history of this city. The early projections for this storm are that it would easily be as much as 2 feet of snow, potentially pushing on closer to 3 feet of snow. New Yorkers should not underestimate this storm. Assume conditions will be unsafe. Assume that you do not want to be out in this storm. When you can stay indoors, stay indoors. When you can stay off the roads, stay off the roads. Use mass transit or make plans to travel another day, but try with everything you have to avoid being in the middle of this storm. So my message to all New Yorkers is prepare for something worse than we have seen before.